Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this creamy mushroom soup. Here is a list of ingredients. You can pause the screen here and write them down or take a screenshot. Now let's get started. On medium heat we're going to add in our butter to a pot, and once it comes to a boil, add in your mushrooms and onions. And just fry that for about 5 minutes. And add in some salt and pepper, and if you want, you can add some other spices if you'd like. Now I'm adding in the garlic and frying that for 30 seconds. Once that time is up, I'm going to be adding in the flour and cooking that for another minute. Once that's cooked, I'm going to be slowly adding in my beef broth, a little bit at a time, and make sure to whisk the whole time while adding it. Once all of the beef broth is added and it starts to thicken up again, we're just going to be slowly doing the same thing with the cream. Add a little bit at a time and whisk that until it thickens up a bit, and then add a little bit more cream until it's all added. Now I'm just going to be adding some parsley flakes on top and whisking that in together. I'm just going to let that come to a boil again, and once it comes to a boil and starts to thicken up, I'm going to remove it from the heat and get ready to serve. It is so creamy and so delicious. Now let's get ready to serve our mushroom soup. We're going to be adding that to a bowl. I'm just drizzling a tablespoon of heavy cream around. Now I'm just topping that with some fried onions and mushrooms and a little bit of parsley. And that's what it looks like when it's all finished. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. Bye!